The most rewarding part of being a nurse is bringing comfort and hope when someone needs it most. In those quiet moments, care becomes love that heals. Well, what keeps me going in a place like Dia is the sense of purpose and being part of something bigger than myself. Thank you for your strength, compassion, and tireless dedication. You are the heart of healthcare.
Lifesaver. Dedicated.
Trustworthy, understanding,
Selfless. Professional. Compassionate. Empathetic. Flexible. Nurturing. Kind. Optimistic. Reliable. Educated. Advocate. Empowering. Gentle. Grateful. Extraordinary. Resilient.
Before the world steers, we rise. While the city sleeps, we lace up our shoes, not just for a job, but for a calling. We put on more than scrubs, we wear strength, we carry hope in our pockets and resilience in every step. Qiddiya ER becomes our battlefield, our sanctuary, our second home. Where every hallway echoes with footsteps of silent bravery. Even in moments of chaos, we create connection. In the storm, we are the calm. And sometimes, we lose. We stand in the sacred stillness between the last breath and goodbye. We cry quietly, then we rise again. Because another life calls us back. Even when our hearts in sorrow, we carry on. Because to a nurse, every heartbeat matters. Every life is worth the fight. Every patient is a story they choose to stand beside. We are more than nurses, we are guardians of life. Nurses lean on each other, a family not by blood, but by battle. Bound by sleepless nights, shared sorrows, and the victories we never forget. The years may pass, and faces may fade from memory, but our hands, our hearts, they are woven into Qiddiya's history forever.